In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook story if you want to remove it before it disappears automatically. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top of your home feed, tap on your story to open the story you have posted. Once your story is playing on the screen, look for the three dots in the corner of the screen and tap on them to open more options. A small menu will appear with several choices related to your story. From this menu, tap Delete Photo or Delete Video, depending on the type of story you posted. Facebook will then ask you to confirm the action. Tap Delete again to confirm, and the story will be removed from your profile immediately. After deleting it, the story will no longer be visible to your friends or followers. You can repeat the same steps if you have multiple story slides and want to remove them individually. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.